Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering off the controller and removing batteries or the USB cable. This prevents shorts. Next, you remove the back screws using the correct T6 or T8 driver. Use a magnetic tray so screws don't scatter. Once the case is open, lift the shell gently with a plastic spudger to avoid snapping clips. As you go, note where each screw came from. This saves time when reassembling and prevents stripped holes or mismatched lengths. You now expose the joystick module, and if needed, remove its small screws or carefully disconnect the ribbon connector. Use short bursts of compressed air to eject loose dust. Then dampen a cotton swab with 90% plus isopropyl and clean around the potentiometer and plastic shaft. Rotate the joystick slowly while you clean to reach hidden crevices. Once done, use a dry swab to absorb residue. This prevents conductive moisture. You reassemble by reseating connectors, aligning the shell clips, and replacing screws in their original positions. Make sure cables and battery contacts are clean. Once closed, reconnect power and run a quick calibration or test in a controller settings menu to check for drift or nonlinearity. If sticks feel sticky or drift persists, you may need to replace the joystick module. Troubleshooting tip: if calibration fails after cleaning, try a fresh 90% isopropyl treatment or swap with
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.